As the young Dominic cleans the concrete, he went from building it in the dust to now cleaning it. Oh, how the tables have turned. Look at him go. Look at him go with his Jack Harlow haircut. With his big boy boots on today. It takes discipline, doesn't it, Esteban? Little Esteban from the group home over there. You never thought you'd be pressure washing in America. It's the old surface clean. You're going to be in our first long form video ever.
Our first what?
The first long form video ever for Southwest. You're going to be in it. Everything else is a short. Yeah, move on to this one. That'll work. That'll do. You're doing pretty good on the edges.